Hey y'all, it's Tanya from her workshop. Welcome back to my channel. Listen, today we're out in the garden. It's quite early, probably about 6 o'clock. So I got a few great tips for you gardeners that'll kind of save you some money and some time. All right, so let's get to it. So this tip has to do with y'all reusing the dirt that we sifted earlier. Remember that? Okay, as you can see, I got some low-lying areas here. Look at that. So what we're gonna do is take some of that dirt without having to go to the store and buy any. And what we're gonna do is fill in some of these low spots. So I got quite a few of them. See how high that is right there? I just put some styrofoam pieces in the bottom just because you don't really need that much soil in these, and it's going to also provide for good drainage. Chug it in there. If you see that you don't have enough styrofoam, but you still need to fill up some space because you don't need all that soil, then you can use old flower pots. And what it'll do, the roots will have somewhere to go down in between these, so it'll be just fine. But you just want to kind of fill up this area because you definitely don't need all that soil. All right, y'all, so tip number 3 is reusing your soul bags or art bags or anything of that nature, especially in a spot where you need water to run off of it. Okay, so what you can do is just lay it down here, and if there's any low area, just put you some more soil in there. I shouldn't call it soil, you just call it dirt. Smooth that out. Lay that over there. Put your mulch. And remember where I cut that deep barrier? We're just gonna put up another one right there. And that's just gonna save you a little bit of money right there on weed cloth. Because let me tell you, it can be expensive. You just smooth it out. Now, when the rain comes, that water's going to shoot off down here and not stay puddled up here. Now, y'all, just an extra little tip for reusing your bags. You can use them as trash bags also, you know? Because those bags can get expensive, especially if you have a lot of yard waste or anything. Or you can use it as a temporary storage for the stuff that you might want to put in your compost bin. So just take this bag with you wherever you're working in the garden. Put your stuff in there, and then it'll be easier to take it over to your compost bin. And even in my area, the yard waste will be picked up with this bag because it's clear. They can see what's in there if there's something that you actually want to throw out. All right, y'all. those are my 3 tips for you gardeners. Hopefully they can help you save a little money, save a little time. Thank you so much for watching. If you like anything in this video, give me a thumbs up. All right, thank y'all so much. Subscribe.